Question 91. Describe a situation where you had to troubleshoot a significant issue in an academic data system. What steps did you take? In a previous role, I encountered a critical issue where reports generated from our academic data system showed discrepancies in enrollment numbers. To troubleshoot, I first replicated the issue to understand its scope. I then examined the data pipelines and identified that a recent update had disrupted data ingestion processes. Collaborating with the IT team, I reviewed logs and traced back to the last successful data load. After pinpointing the faulty script, I corrected it and reran the data ingestion. I implemented additional validation checks and communicated the resolution to stakeholders, ensuring transparency. Post-issue, I worked on improving documentation for future updates, minimizing recurrence. Question 92. What strategies do you employ to optimize performance in data processing workflows? Optimizing performance in data processing workflows involves several strategies. First, I analyze the existing workflows to identify bottlenecks, using profiling tools to measure processing times. I then leverage parallel processing and batch processing techniques to enhance efficiency. Utilizing cloud services allows me to scale resources dynamically based on workload demands. I also optimize queries by indexing and restructuring data models to improve access speeds. Implementing data caching strategies reduces unnecessary computations and speeds up response times for frequently accessed data. Finally, I continuously monitor performance metrics and solicit feedback from users to identify areas for further optimization, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Question 93. How do you handle conflicting priorities when managing multiple academic projects simultaneously? Handling conflicting priorities requires effective time management and communication. I begin by assessing the urgency and impact of each project, creating a priority matrix to guide my focus. I maintain open lines of communication with stakeholders, setting clear expectations regarding timelines and deliverables. Utilizing project management tools like Trello or Asana helps me track progress and deadlines. I also allocate time for regular check-ins with team members to address any challenges they may face. If necessary, I negotiate deadlines or resources to ensure that critical projects receive the attention they require. This structured approach allows me to manage multiple projects efficiently while maintaining quality. Question 94. Discuss your experience with machine learning or predictive analytics in an academic context. My experience with machine learning and predictive analytics includes developing models to forecast student enrollment and academic performance. I utilize tools like Python with libraries such as scikit-learn to pre-process data and build models. For instance, I created a predictive model using historical enrollment data to identify trends and potential areas for growth. By analyzing various features, such as demographics and past performance, I provided insights that help the administration allocate resources more effectively. I also collaborated with faculty to validate model outputs, ensuring they aligned with academic objectives. This experience underscored the importance of integrating analytics into strategic decision-making processes within academia. Question 95. How do you assess the effectiveness of academic programs through data analysis? Assessing the effectiveness of academic programs involves a comprehensive analysis of various data points, including student performance, retention rates, and course evaluations. I start by gathering and cleaning relevant datasets from multiple sources, such as LMS and institutional databases. Using statistical analysis and visualization techniques, I identify trends and correlations that provide insights into program strengths and weaknesses. I also engage with faculty and students to contextualize the data, ensuring that findings are relevant and actionable. Presenting these insights through dashboards facilitates ongoing discussions with stakeholders, enabling data-driven decisions for program improvements. This approach fosters a culture of continuous enhancement and accountability within academic programs. Question 96. What techniques do you use for data cleaning and preparation in your projects? Data cleaning and preparation are critical steps in any analytics project. I employ techniques such as deduplication to remove redundant records and standardization to ensure consistent formatting across datasets. I utilize tools like Python's Pandas library for efficient data manipulation, allowing me to handle missing values through imputation or deletion based on context. Additionally, I implement validation checks to identify outliers and inconsistencies that may skew results. Establishing a clear data pipeline that includes data profiling helps in understanding the dataset's structure and quality. This thorough preparation not only enhances data quality, but also sets the foundation for accurate analysis and insights. Question 97. How do you prioritize user feedback when designing data products for academic stakeholders? Prioritizing user feedback is essential in designing data products that meet academic stakeholders' needs. I implement a structured feedback collection process, using surveys and interviews to gather insights from users about their experiences and expectations. Analyzing this feedback helps me identify common themes and pain points. I then categorize the feedback based on urgency and impact, creating a roadmap for product enhancements. Regularly engaging with stakeholders throughout the development process ensures that their voices are heard and incorporated. By maintaining open communication and iterating based on user input, I strive to create data products that are not only functional but also user-friendly, ultimately enhancing stakeholder satisfaction. Question 98. Can you explain your approach to integrating data from disparate systems in an academic environment? Integrating data from disparate systems requires a systematic approach to ensure consistency and usability. I start by conducting a thorough inventory of existing systems and identifying the types of data they produce. Utilizing ETL, extract, transform, load processes, I extract data from various sources, such as LMS, SIS, and external databases. During the transformation phase, I clean, standardize, and harmonize the data to create a unified schema. I use tools like Apache NiFi or Talend for seamless integration. Collaboration with IT and data stewards is crucial to address data governance concerns. Finally, I establish a centralized data warehouse for easy access and reporting, enabling stakeholders to derive insights from integrated datasets. Question 99. What tools and technologies do you prefer for analyzing large datasets in academic research? For analyzing large datasets in academic research, I prefer tools that offer robust functionality and scalability. Python, with libraries such as Pandas and NumPy, is my go-to for data manipulation and analysis. For more complex statistical analyses, I utilize R, which provides a rich ecosystem of packages suited for academic research. For large-scale data processing, I leverage Apache Spark, which allows for distributed computing and efficient handling of vast datasets. Additionally, I use SQL for querying relational databases, ensuring efficient data retrieval. These tools, combined with visualization software like Tableau or Power BI, enable me to derive meaningful insights from large datasets effectively. Question 100. How do you ensure that your work aligns with the overall mission and values of the academic institution? Ensuring alignment with the institution's mission and values begins with a deep understanding of those principles. I engage with institutional goals by participating in strategic planning sessions and reviewing mission statements. When undertaking projects, I consider how data insights can support academic excellence, student engagement, and community impact. Regular collaboration with faculty and administration helps me align my analyses with their priorities. I also promote transparency and ethical data use, reflecting the institution's commitment to integrity. By incorporating feedback from diverse stakeholders, I ensure that my work not only meets analytical objectives, but also resonates with the broader mission of fostering a supportive and enriching academic environment. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.